Number porting is transferring your existing phone number to a new provider, in this case, Rogers Business. This allows you to keep your number while benefiting from Rogers' services and features. The process involves three key steps: authorization, submitting a letter of authorization, and activation. Recent improvements, including a fully digital porting portal launched in late 2024, have streamlined the process, reducing typical porting times to 1 to 5 business days and same-day ports in some cases. Porting fees range from CAD $10 to $25, potentially waived for bundled plans. Rogers Business uses automation and AI-driven error checking to minimize issues. Overall, Rogers had a 99.5% on-time completion rate in 2025. Authorization is your consent to move the number, requiring identity verification via government-issued ID. A letter of authorization, LOA, is a standardized form with details like the current carrier and account number. This must be signed and dated, and Rogers offers a downloadable LOA from their business portal. This is a CRTC-approved template. Once your old carrier releases the number, Rogers activates it on their network. You'll receive a confirmation, and your number will work with Rogers. The process involves gathering documents, uploading the LOA, carrier coordination, and post-activation testing. Rogers offers support for any post-porting issues.